Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am playing Adopt Me, and I have 5 eggs that I'm going to be opening today. So here are the 5 eggs right here. I'll turn to a baby real quick. So let me get my 5 eggs out. And while I was doing and leveling up these eggs, I got some new pets. So I am going to show you those right now. So you obviously see this one from the last time I hatched one. You will see this robin or red cardinal, whatever it's called. I got that. And then, where's the other one? Hold up. Oh yeah, it's up here. This is an ultra rare. And I got 2 of these. So I got a red one and a normal one. And yeah, and I'm actually very happy that I got those 4 pets so far. And yeah, and I'm going to get 5 new ones today with you guys. And I know it's not a lot, like hatching like 100 eggs, but I'm not like that kind of YouTuber. I don't have all the money in the world. So I'm only doing 5 because I'm a poor YouTuber. But don't mind me. I'll do more like later on, like 5 per episode or like 5 per YouTube thing, I guess. I don't know. But today we're just doing 5, maybe 10 in a different future references. Okay, yeah. And yeah, and don't mind me. Today I'm a little sick, so yeah, don't mind me. Okay, let's try this girl while we're waiting for these butts. This butt egg to open. Okay, why does everyone decline? Lady, I already have 2 of those. I want the new. I will offer. Those aren't new, you butthole. I'll give you 1. Maybe you can make a neon. Yeah. I actually only have 1 of these, and I think they're going to be really rare in the future. So I'm going to accept, because you can always get these. So, but you can't always get those. So I'm going to accept. And yeah, and I'm hungry and thirsty. Oh, this is going to be a long video, guys. Like, I was getting so many meats, but now I'm getting like none, which is annoying. But I got that. So this person's trying to trade me. I'm just gonna put in all my eggs that I have and see what they're gonna say. Like, oh wait, I have 1 more egg. 1 more egg. Where is it? Ooh, wow. So these are all the different eggs I have. Yes, I know. And I'm going to decline. And I'm going to decline. But these are the... Oh, wait. Oh, I should have got another egg out. Dang it. It's okay. Let's go over here. And ew, pink. I hate pink. If you guys like pink, that's okay. But me personally, I don't like pink. Okay, let's see what this egg is going to be. I hope you are something good. A deer or a fox. A deer or a fox. A deer or a fox. Please. Please, get over here. No, they won me over. Okay. Deer or a fox. Deer or a fox. Deer or a fox. Deer or a fox. Actually, I'm just gonna open it over here. Deer or a fox. Deer or a fox. Deer or a fox. Deer or a fox. I really want the deer, guys. Really want the deer. Really want the deer or the hawk. The hawk's cool, but don't necessarily want it. But it'd be cool to have anyway. But it's about to hatch. Ah! Okay, what you gonna be? What you gonna be? What you gonna be? What you gonna be? Ah, it's hatching! It's hatching! What is it? What is it? A bullfrog! A bullfrog! Yes! I don't have one of those yet. Admire the pretty bullfrog. Okay, next egg. and I will be showcasing all of these later after we hatch all of these eggs. We got a bullfrog and I don't have one of them yet. Yay! Woohoo! 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 Oh, and also, if you guys want me to like make more Minecraft videos, down in the section below, you can comment if you would like me to just, you know, make more Minecraft videos. And if you want me to do more videos like this, make sure to hit a thumbs up and subscribe and turn your notification bell so you're always notified when I make new videos. So yeah. So I'm going to tell a little, while we're waiting, I'm just going to tell you guys a little bit about me. So if you don't know, my name is Madeline. My age is 11, and I love cats. So yeah, I'll be doing this every single video until like you guys get to know me a little bit more. So yeah, it's just going to be out throughout the video, whatever time I want it to be, like when I don't have a lot to do. But yeah, and my favorite color is blue. So yeah. I am waiting very patiently. And he's thirsty. Oh wait, that's. What's it gonna be? 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 What is it? Another bullfrog! Yay! I love bullfrogs. They're so cute. They're so cute, guys. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. They're so cute. They're all so cute. They're all too cute. They're all really too cute. But I want that fox. It's rare. I need it. Ah! I need it. I swear to poop. I need the fox. I hope I can get the fox. I need a fox. I need a fox. Oh, and you're thirsty. Perfect toes. But we only need one of you guys. So eat. Kill my family, you weird nurse thingy. What are you gonna do? Ewy. Next. Okay, so now we have 2 of those and 2 of those, and we now have 2 of those. And 1 little robin thingy. But now I'm going to go into school. I'm going to grab a teacher's apple, and I'm going to trade with this person. Feed me, you weirdos. Feed me. Looking for the new egg, and they're offering me a sandwich. I'm good. Pet, when are you going to hatch? When will you need? When will you need? Lady Gaga, I need to trade you. I am looking for the new pets. And they declined. Perfect. You, Lady Gaga. Lady, person, I need to trade you. What offer? This. I wasn't done, you poop butt. Even though my trade was horrible, but whatever. I need food. No, wrong food. Oh no. Guys, I'm going insane. I am going insanity. Okay, I'm gonna go here. Can you like be hungry or thirsty or something, you weird chicklet? I'm like, oh my gosh. Okay, let's do some trading. Or let's open the chat. So this person found a red cardinal, nice. Woodpecker, nice. Red cardinal, nice. Found a bullfrog, that was me. Found a bullfrog, that was me. Okay, Trading a legendary view, because that is outfit. What are you trading? Missy. Okay, I'm going to spam trade people. Spam trade, spam trade, spam trade, spam trade. Okay. I'm looking for the new egg person, not a stupid panda. Not the stupid panda. Sorry, I don't have. Okay. 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 Spam trade, spam trade, spam trade, spam trade, spam trade, spam trade. Trade me, trade me, trade me, trade me, trade me, trade me, spamming. There we go. They're offering a shark. I used to have one, but I only have this. What's your offer? Okay, they're offering. No, not that. And a vehicle, of course. What can you see? Please, 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 please. Accept. I'm accepting. Person. I'm accepting. They're going to say no because they're not accepting. But you know that's okay. It happens. It happens. Do you have any cool strollers? Yes. I'll take the wallet away. And add a cool stroller. She must collect some strollers. I do. So yeah, and I have 3 of those, so I'm giving one away. And I'll put in that just for now. Just for she makes it happy, I guess. I don't know. Because I have 4 of them and I don't need 4. Please, please, please. I've been in the street forever. I just accept. Is that all? Yes. And I'll put a hand. Or not a hand, whatever. Please, please, please. Why? Just why? You made my days sad. Are you a red fox? Cute. Holy crap, guys. This thing's going on forever. Son, where are you? Go down already. Or just give me food. Trading shark for something stroller. Okay. Well, I don't have that something stroller for you, Missy. So I'm going to bed. Hey, lady, you're not gonna get my stuff. You're not gonna get me stuff. What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? Oh, what's it gonna? Stop, lady. Stop. Oh, what's it gonna be? 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 No way! No way! No way! No way! No way! No way, guys! No way! I've been wanting this pet. No way! No way! No way! No way! No way! No! Thank you so much. Egg, you are my dream egg. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I will have millions of you. You, baby. You right there, baby. Baby. You are so cute. Thank you for not having me have one of these stupid woodpeckers. I do not want this stupid woodpecker. I really don't want this stupid woodpecker. Instead of these, you should give me you should have me have 2 red foxes and only 1 woodpecker. Okay? Yeah. That was stressful. At least I I got what I wanted. But now I just want a hawk or a deer. Because I have all the other pets besides the lizard. So I only need 3 more pets to complete my collection. So that's very exciting. And I know Moody and Santa have already completed their collection because they're big YouTubers. Oh yeah, so cool, so cool, so cool. Yeah, but make sure you guys subscribe to their channel and everything like that. But this is our last and final egg, and I wonder what it is going to be. We just are waiting for this stupid thingy right here. No, we're not. No, we're not. What you gonna be? What you gonna be? Singing a song, singing a song. What you gonna be? What you gonna be? What you gonna be? What you gonna be? A bullfrog! Yay! Okay, it's time to showcase my pets. So, first, bullfrog, brilliant, so cool. It hops like a bullfrog. And yeah, next, we got a red fox. It's so freaking cute. See? Okay, see that tail rag, see that butt right there? You see that butt? See my butt? See? Oh my gosh, yes, showcasing, yes, red fox. And I also got a woodpecker. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and it is my time to leave, so bye!